Wix menu tutorial: add, edit, and design. So your website's menu is the roadmap for your visitors. If it's confusing, they'll leave. If it's clean, they'll convert. This year, Wix has moved toward advanced menus as the standard, giving you pixel-perfect control over how your navigation works and behaves. Whether you're building a simple landing page or a massive e-commerce store, today I'm showing you the definitive guide to adding, editing, and designing your Wix menu items from scratch. And first, let's get a menu on the page. So open up your Wix editor, and on the left, click on the plus icon. And then we will need to look for Add Elements and navigate to Menu and Anchor. Okay, so we go plus, and then we need to look for Add Elements and navigate to Menu and Anchor right here. And you will see the three main types of these elements. So horizontal for your header, vertical for sidebars, and hamburger for that minimalist look. So just choose your style that you wish and just drag it into your header section. All right, so let's choose, for example, the horizontal menu. And let's see, what can we do? So we already have this menu, but I will just choose this, for example, and I'll just drag it somewhere here, maybe on top like this, and just center it out. Okay, as you can see, we have the menu for switching languages. And you can also add on, and then after that, you can just add a menu and then click the settings gear and select set as advanced. And this disconnects the menu from your page list, allowing you to create custom navigation that doesn't just mirror your site structure. This is essential if you want a footer menu that's different from your header. And now let's customize the buttons. You can click on your menu and hit Manage Menu. So you just press on that and then press on Manage Menu. To add, click the plus button, add menu item at the bottom if it exists. You can also link to side pages, external URLs, or even specific anchors and sections on a page. And then to reorder, I've already showed you, just grab it with your mouse and move anywhere you wish. To rename, you click three dots next to an item and select Rename. And that will change what the button says without changing the actual name of the page in your SEO settings. Perfect for keeping your navigation concise. And if your menu is getting crowded, you need drop-downs. So in the Manage Menu panel, look for Added Menu Item. So once again, plus, Elements, and then you search here, for example, for a drop-down, okay? And name it something like Services or Resources. So just drag the one you wish. So for example, we have a drop-down, and we have Quantity. We'll drag it. I will just show you like that. And then you can also rename it. So for example, click Edit, and then the title, you can change this. As you can see, change the text. And then to nest items under it, you can take an existing page and drag it directly underneath that title. Then slightly drag it to the right. You'll see a blue line indicating it's now a sub-item. And submenus and you can even create and go a level deeper and create submenus by repeating this process, which is great for complex product categories. And now for the fun part, making it look professional. You can click the paintbrush, the site design icon, and you can choose a preset or hit Customize Design. And this is the secret way to a high-end feel. You can set a different colors and fonts for three states, which is regular, hover, and clicked. Then spacing. You can use the layouts icon to adjust the spacing between items. So I recommend using proportional filling so your menu looks balanced regardless of how many items you add. And this is how you master navigation. A clean menu means a better user experience and higher SEO rankings. If this video helped you guys, like and subscribe, don't forget, and see you in the next one.